Hello, ThunderCore developers. As you know, ThunderCore is fully compatible with Ethereum, so deploying an ERC-20 smart contract on ThunderCore is super fast and super easy. Now we will walk you through the entire process, which only has 5 simple steps, and these are: Step 1, install MetaMask. Step 2, get Thunder tokens. Step 3 is copy and paste the ERC contract. Step 4, deploy through the Remix IDE. And step 5, finally, check on ThunderScan. So let's just jump to the first step, which is to install MetaMask. In order to do that, you have to visit the MetaMask website at metamask.io to download the browser extension. Once you have downloaded the extension, click on the Fox icon on the upper right corner of the browser. You would then need to read and scroll the terms of use and click on Accept. Now set up a secure password on MetaMask and click on Create. Next, you will be asked to save a seed phrase or 12 secret words to recover your account if you ever lose it. Please make sure that you have the seed phrase saved in a secure location. That's it. You've just finished setting up MetaMask. The second step is to get your very own Thunder token. You should first configure your MetaMask with Thunder Mainnet RPC. So click on the Fox icon. You will see that there is a main Ethereum network and 0 ETH or ETH on the MetaMask screen. Click on the drop-down arrow and click on Custom RPC. Scroll down to the New Network section and click on Show Advanced Options. In the New RPC URL section, copy and paste the mainnet RPC URL. In the Chain ID section, put in 108. In the symbol part, put in TT. Leave nickname blank and then click on Save. Now you can see that you have TT symbol and the updated Thunder RPC URL. Next, go to the thundercore.com/developers page and then click on Get Free Tokens. You will be directed to the Thunder Token Faucet page. Then you can sign in with your Gmail account. Once you are authenticated, you can put in your ThunderCore address. Click on the Fox icon on the upper right corner and copy the wallet address into the text field. After reading the user agreement and privacy policy and clicking on I'm not a robot, you can click on Request Thunder Token button. Request is successful and 5 Thunder tokens have been transferred to the wallet address. So those are your Thunder tokens. So the third step, which is also easy, is to copy source code from GitHub. We will use ThunderCore Protocol as an example. Click on Clone or Download. We will download the zip file. The fourth step is to deploy ERC-20 smart contract on the Remix IDE. We will be using ThunderCore Protocol so we can remove the 2 default solution files. Next, we add a new file and call it ERC-20 token. Then we will be able to copy the file from the source code downloaded from GitHub to the ERC-20 token source code. We will also need to add 3 dependencies before we compile the file. We create the ERC-20 token file and copy the file from the source code from GitHub. We will then configure the correct compiler version and then start to compile. We will see some warning messages, which is totally okay. There are no error messages actually. We will then move on to the utils file, safe math file. Then we come back to the ERC-20 token file and make sure that all the dependencies are updated correctly. Now we will compile the file. As you can see, there will be no error message. We will then deploy the ERC-20 token file. First, we will need to put the parameters in for the constructor. We will use ThunderCore for the name, TT for the symbol, and 1 for decimals. We will then click on Transact. The MetaMask message box will pop up. You can see and edit the gas fee. But we will leave this as it is and click on Confirm. You can see on the message panel that the contract is deployed successfully. We're finally at the last step, which is step number 5. This step is to verify the transaction on ThunderScan. We will click on the drop-down arrow. We will see that status shows execution success or succeeded, and we will copy the transaction hash. Then we will go to the ThunderScan website and paste the transaction hash. You can see all the transaction information. For instance, the timestamp shows that the contract was deployed 4 minutes ago. So this concludes the tutorial of how to deploy ERC-20 smart contract on ThunderCore blockchain. As you can see, it is a very straightforward and simple process, and now you can try on your very own with any ERC-20 contract.